Okay, so this week I fix my mom's leaky faucet. So we're gonna go do that. Okay, I am here actually at my mom's house, and she asked me if I'd be interested in trying to fix her leaky faucet here. I think she has all the parts already. I don't really know. I've never done this before, so we're gonna figure it out. But as you can see, it is dripping kind of a lot actually, which is shitty. So that's what we're doing. Okay, well, this is how it always goes. The one tiny thing I need, I cannot find. All I need is a tiny crescent wrench because these handles, and I could not find one. So, stupid design. Okay, so I didn't end up talking about this because my mom came home and I ended up talking to her while I filmed it and fixed the rest of the faucet. But the two parts that I replaced are it's a little rubber seat, and then it's a little spring that goes inside the cartridge of the faucet. I think that's what it's called. Like the top part's the little cartridge, and then inside there's the rest of the build of the handle. So you could see in the video, the old seat was kind of like was flattened versus the new one just looked, taller and better and everything. So those are the two pieces that I replaced. You can get a whole rebuild kit with the handles and everything like that, and you don't have to replace the whole faucet on Amazon and hardware stores and stuff like that. But yeah, those are the two pieces that I replaced. I think it was a little bit difficult to see inside there, the spring and where the rubber seat actually was at. So I didn't end up getting great footage of that, but those are the two pieces I replaced. I think you can get most of those for like a couple bucks at your hardware store. So that is what I did. Alrighty, so I wanted to be completely honest about how this repair went. It did not go super. So I couldn't get the left handle off because the stupid design. It's stupid. I almost broke the little crescent wrench I was using because it just wasn't, it just wasn't coming off. So I couldn't replace anything inside that handle because the friggin' handle's just not coming off. It did drip less after I replaced the right handles, seat, and spring. But yeah, it's not fixed completely, which is really annoying and disappointing, but that's just how that stuff goes sometimes. I don't know what the next step is for that. I think maybe if I can just get completely new handles and then you can replace the whole thing from the bottom, but then you'd have to take off the whole faucet. I don't know, and it's really annoying. But that sink isn't like the main sink in my mom's house. it's just in a secondary bathroom, so it's not that big of a deal, but still annoying. So, but that is how those things go sometimes. So, 100% honesty. That's my thing. Okay, I have links in the description below of where you can find my Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, as well as my PayPal if you so choose to support me that way. Otherwise, I appreciate everybody who likes and comments and is super supportive, and most importantly subscribes. That like warms my heart every time somebody does that. Yeah, was this a DIY fail? No, I learned something. Also, I kind of fixed it, so it's fine. It's fine. We just won't talk about it or something. Alrighty. Yeah. And thanks for watching. Okay, I wanted to share this super cool Christmas present that I got from my sister. She made it for me and mailed it to me, and it made me cry so much because it was just a much needed vote of confidence that what I'm doing is cool and people like it and support me. So, underestimate me. That'll be fun. I love it. It's so sassy, and I've been wearing it for all kinds of projects that I've been working on, and yeah, it meant a lot to me to get it. I'm gonna wear it all the time and try and not get paint on it or stain or other shit. So yeah, I want to share that with you guys because it's pretty fucking cool.